Hello, I'm Joanne Turner reporting from the OneM2M showcase at Etsy this week, and I'm talking to Philip from GridPocket and Bernhard from WAGO. Philip, perhaps you can start by telling us a little bit about the demonstration we have here today.
We have here two companies, a startup GridPocket and an industrial partner WAGO from Germany. We are demonstrating an energy management platform that is making use of our cloud solutions, which analyze data, do big data analysis, show information to customers and collect information from our components. And we are connected to our partner WAGO via the standard OneM2M.
Okay, so how do the OneM2M standards play a part in this demonstration?
Well, when two companies need to cooperate together, they have to decide how they will exchange messages, how they will exchange data. And it's not an easy choice, especially that each of us is working with many other partners on many projects. OneM2M, it was quite an obvious solution for us, because with all the community behind, we are sure that what we do will be first logical, easy to use, and then that we can reuse it in many other projects. So we have decided on OneM2M as a common platform for exchange of information.
Okay, thank you. Bernhard, so perhaps you can tell us about WAGO's involvement in the project.
Basically, as you know, WAGO is developing and manufacturing programmable logical controller. And we know that soon we'll have a big challenge regarding IoT, because soon not only wire sensor will have to deal with our product, but also wireless product. So we have to fulfill these requirements, and in order to expose the data from the sensors or from the value compute by our PLC, we choose and we think then we choose OneM2M as the best middleware. Behind that, we have created an ecosystem who are able to analyze the information stored on the OneM2M PowerVAS platform from GridPocket in order to find a way to save energy, to prevent from human problems regarding, let's say, organic component generated during manufacturing process. So it's a group of company who is able to realize what we call big data.
Okay, and in the wider market, are we starting to see some deployment of from the ecosystem now?
WAGO is already achieving application on building automation and on industrial automation. And we would like to provide directly in our PLC, so programmable logical controller. The next step is to provide an OneM2M connector inside, in order that, let's say, the so-called fog, it's a new concept, which is, let's say, close to the field, compare to the cloud. So this fog will already have embedded the OneM2M protocol.
Okay, well, thanks for taking the time to talk to us today.
Thank you.